Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And friends, in last video we have configured esp32 camera, and with the help of esp32 camera we can detect the object with the help of TensorFlow light. Okay, so now as you can see I have used here our esp32 camera, which basically recording a live videos. Okay, and for power in esp32 camera I have used here a small SMPS. As you can see, this is what the SMPS, which convert direct volt, means 240 volt to 5 volt. So I have connect the SMPS with esp32 camera 5 volt. Okay, and if you see here, as you can see, this is what our frame. Okay, and it's detected the person, the car, and all these things with the help of TensorFlow light on Raspbian Buster. Okay, so the SMPS which I have used here, let me show you the SMPS, just a minute. As you can see, this is what the SMPS which available on Amazon Easy Power. Okay, so this SMPS is really help to configure, or we can say for creating the CCTV system with the help of esp32 camera. Okay, it's really easy to use. Okay, so I have connect, as you can see, I have connect the direct wire. Okay, this is what our red and black color direct wire with our SMPS. Okay, as you can see, a direct wire. This is what Easy Power in SMPS. Okay, so this is the way you can create a powerful CCTV system with the help of esp32 camera using our TensorFlow light with Raspberry Pi 4 Raspbian Buster legacy system. I have created detailed video how you can configure esp32 camera for opencv. Okay, so I will mention the video link. Watch video. Also just get the Easy Power in SMPS. Okay, so we'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.